And top of mind, sir, ano yung mga amendments na naiisip na ho ninyong pwedeng gawin doon sa cybercrime law? And also, what measures can the international community do para halimbawa yung cyber warrants na ini-issue natin dito ay talagang masunod at ma-honor kahit nasa ibang bansa pa yung tech company involved? Perhaps maybe international conventions or agreements.
Yep, yep. So, una-una dyan on the part of the Philippines, siguro, at parati namin hinihingi, a law that would grant the Philippines and all its agencies jurisdiction over various platforms. Here, we're talking about the gaming platforms, we're talking about the messaging platforms, and we're talking about the social media platforms. Pero ngayon, tinitingnan din natin dapat lahat ng mga tech companies, including yung mga downloading platforms sina iOS Store, sina Google Play, and sina Steam, have to have offices here for purposes of jurisdiction. Kasi kahit anong batas ang i-craft natin later on, whether it's regulation, whether it's penal laws with regards to violation of our of internet safety, bale wala kasi wala tayong jurisdiction over them. Second siguro is an updating of the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 or 1175 and various cybercrime laws. Unang-una to empower agencies like the CICC and the law enforcement agencies, NBI and PNP, para naman we would be equipped not only with sufficient people but laws that would grant us powers to truly investigate these incidents in a timely manner, and then siguro ho, nakikiusap po ako sa ating kataas-taasang kagalagang hukuman ho ng Pilipinas, ano. Maybe it's high time that we really sit down and put serious effort in educating and upskilling our people pagdating sa appreciation ng cybercrime ho natin, and para ho mas mabilis yung proseso. Ang problema, Sir Willard, gaya ng sinasabi mo kanina, ang cybercrime borderless pero yung mga batas natin territorial pa rin. So I think that's another thing that we have to look at and strengthen, apart from strengthening our partnership with other countries through yun nga, yung international conventions. Pero yung totoo naman ho, it's pending before the Senate na yung ratification ng ating pag at pakikilahok do sa UN Convention on Cybercrime. But more importantly, I think we should update our MLATs na yung mutual legal assistance treaties with other countries to include these crimes that happen on our cyberspace. Kasi based on the current setup right now, pwede ka lang, yung MLATs are only effective do sa mga identified crimes do sa mga MLATs natin. And cybercrime, unfortunately, wasn't one of those when these MLATs were contemplated.